Now let's create a new folder, chain better. Here it is. Create a new folder. I think first we need to create a week 3 folder and then create a new folder, chain better. Okay. Now right click on it and click on open in integrated terminal. Yeah. So here it is. Now let's run the command yarn hard head. It will take some time. It's installing the dependencies. You can see that node info modules folder is created now. Okay. Now let's see. Now write this command npx hardhead int to initialize the sample project. Create a JavaScript project, press enter and add ignore file. Okay. So we need to install these dependencies also in order to run the sample project. So let's copy it and just paste it here. And wait for it to complete. Okay, so all the dependencies are now installed successfully. Now let's move on. We also need OpenZeppelin contracts, so add it also. Okay, that's completed. So amazing, we have now installed everything we need to make NFTs with on-chain metadata. Let's clean up and modify our project boilerplates and create the dynamic NFT smart contract. First though, we'll need to modify the hardhead.config.js file to connect with Polygon Mumbai and Polygon Scan. We'll need it later on to verify the code. So let's modify the hardhead.config.js file.